We got weather. Hey, how you doing?
Say a command.
No, I don't want to say a command. Shut up. How about exit? Oh, that's a command. These smart devices, they're smarter than I am. Oh, what about the weather? The weather is crummy, and I'm a little bit concerned because when we have winter storms, like we're supposed to have one tonight, tomorrow, the weather has been in the marginal temperature range, like it's right at freezing. And what I'm afraid of is that I'm afraid we're going to get an ice storm one of these days. We had a really big one in 2002, and I lived through it, and man, it was bad. So I don't know. I hope I hope to not go through one of those again, but I'm afraid the way this winter has been going, we might get one. We almost had one last week and kind of yesterday too. It was like raining, sleeting, and snowing. It just, all you have to do is have a storm hit just right when the temperature is right in the freezing range, enough for the rain and sleet to freeze when it hits the ground and all the surfaces. Not too cold, but not too warm. Just kind of in the in-between layer, and you get stuck there, and it just keeps coming at you. And I think in 2002 it came at us for about a week, and it was bad. I remember one in 1985 that was bad too. So I hope not. I'm not praying for it. I'm praying against it. So woohoo. Still getting over my crud. Everybody's sick, and I'm going looking for a component to HDMI adapter for one of my cameras. I've been kind of shopping for cameras for the new switcher kit that came in. It's really tiny, and I'm loving it. But yeah, so I need to try and make do with the cameras that I have, and some of them are really good cameras, so it'd be a shame to not use them. So anyway, that's what I'm doing. I'm going to Wife's Enemy, one of Wife's Enemies. So anyway,